We got a garage sale find today. PS2s, $2 each. The guy gave us them all for $40. You gotta have to go through them, Lauren, because I'm gonna be missing it up. They're all racing games.
Most of them are racing. There's a couple like kids games, like there's Ice Age 2, Freak Style, Flat Out 2, NASCAR, Starsky and Hutch.
That looks fun.
Need for Speed, always goes are good. And Cars. I heard the Cars games are actually not too bad. We got all 4 Off-Road Furies.
Those were my favorite growing up. I had most of those. Cabela's game, which are always good. Some more just like Power Drone. It's a weird racing game. Motocross Mania. The MX games and MX vs ATV. These games are great. They're so much fun. They're some of my favorite racing games. Yeah.
Drag racing.
IHRA. These are all like good ones.
Like open season. Ford Racing 2 and 3. Or 2 and 3.
Licensed games. Those are good then.
What
are those?
Weird. These are action replays for PlayStation 2, but they're for Gran Turismo games. So Gran Turismo 3 and Gran Turismo 4. They're like cheats, and they tell you like ultimate codes, gives you the power to unlock Gran Turismo. It's like. And then also,
I got that.
We got this because my cousins used to play this all the time.
Yeah. I gotta load it. You gotta load it and play it. So that's awesome. $40, 27 total. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
25.
6,
26
24.
of this. There's an empty case. It's underneath the box.
It's an empty case. Of course, it was probably
It's like a
the one with the boobs. Anyways, so we got to find that game. But these are all. That's pretty good. And they're all complete, right?
Yeah, all complete.
All completely complete. Very cool. It's not bad. This is just a quick. All we're doing is just looking at what we got. Later on, we'll do a PlayStation 2 night and go nutty. Because these are all driving games. It'll be long ones. Do some long plays.
I don't have most of these. The only ones out of these that I actually have are the first 3 Off-Road Furies. I don't have 4 yet. So everything else is going to be adding to the collection.
So we just added 20.
We added
roughly.
18.
Guess.
We added 18 games.
Awesome.
Because I have this one too. We had 18 games.
Awesome. I hope you guys dig it. See, there are deals still out there. This was $40.
This was just
yard sale. We just pulled up, looking at the game. He's like, you could have them all for 40. Like, okay. Good
Yeah, their
enough.
total worth is around $150.
That's not bad. So they're like $3 or $4.
$150 without these because I can't find like an actual like what they're actually.
Those could be worth $1,000.
I've been seeing. I would say they're worth around 10 each. There's people trying to sell them 50, which is nuts. But there's also ones for 10, so I'm saying they're around 10 each. So it's more closer to like 170 value-wise.
Yeah.
But yeah, $40.
Very cool. All right, so that's it for now. We'll get some gameplay out as soon as possible. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that, and we'll get some more. Thanks.